The price of Shiba Inu Coin is doing an excellent job this morning, testing resistance levels once again. Now, this is the, I would say, third or fourth time we've attempted this 2,100 point per coin now level of resistance over the last couple of days. After falling back down through it and settling up support around the 2,000 point per coin mark, Shiba Inu Coin is on its way back up. And of course, we have to respect the technical analysis. We have to break back up above this level of resistance. And that is what I expect Shiba Inu Coin to do. We're going to talk a little bit about the price action in this video. We're going to go over the fact that we have got 2.7 trillion Shiba Inu Coin on the move and over $4.5 million sold in the PlayDoge presale. Guys, we're going to focus on all of this in the video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got PlayDoge on the screen right now. Now, if at any time during the video you find yourself interested in buying, please make sure you utilize that official link that's in the description below. It is going to pull you up to the correct website, and you're going to be able to buy PlayDoge. We're going to talk a little bit more about it in a second, but dude, the price continues to increase every time it meets this threshold or every time the timer ticks down. And that's one thing that I really like about pre-sales. Yes, you have some launch day volatility, but as the pre-sale is going on, you're making money and making money and making money, and you're not losing any money because, of course, the price is steadily increasing. Now, when you've got something like Shiba Inu Coin, as volatile as it is, it can get very stressful on days where you're making money and then poof, you get a big red candle and now you're losing money, or you're losing, and then finally a green candle of hope appears. So unless you can deal with the volatility, these pre-sales are actually a very good alternative to holding something so volatile. Now, this article says that 2.7 trillion Shiba Inu Coin have been on the move in the last 24 hours. What is happening here? So it goes on to say that around 3 trillion Shiba Inu Coin were moved in the last 24 hours, suggesting substantial movement on the chain at first glance. However, a deeper look reveals that this activity deviates significantly from regular volume from the asset. A notable increase from the 7-day low of 101 transactions occurred over the last 24 hours, with 127 large SHIB transactions. Excellent, man. So we're moving back up, and I truly believe that people are, or whales specifically in this article here, are buying the dip in Shiba Inu Coin. They see that it fell heavily, it's moving back down below that mean or average trend line, and of course whales are loading up knowing that they can see a 10, 20, 30% increase in the price of Shiba Inu Coin in the coming weeks, and therefore they can make a ton of money by buying over $100,000 worth of Shiba Inu Coin at a time. It says approximately 2 trillion tokens were exchanged in these transactions involving SHIB. Even though this figure is astonishing, it is crucial to contrast it to weekly patterns, and the 7-day peak saw 21 trillion Shiba Inu Coin moved on June 11th. This implies that the surge we're seeing right now is nothing but a small part of the network's regular activity. Exactly. Guys, you have to deal with the volatility in the cryptocurrency space. Some days are up days, some days are down days. Now, if you want to compare that to something like PlayDoge, there's actually very little volatility during the pre-sales. In fact, it is just a nice, slow, steady increase in price, and you continue to make money, and you continue to make even more money if you're willing to stake your PlayDoge. So make sure to check out the staking rewards if you guys want and you're not really worried about trading it on launch day. But I want to come back here and show you how to buy. Then we're going to talk about why to buy. So if you're interested in buying 5 Ethereum worth of PlayDoge, you're going to be walking away with nearly 3.5 million PlayDoge for your 5 Ethereum. If you'd rather buy with USDT, of course you can, or you could type in a nice round number here and walk away with $5,000 or $5,090 worth of USDT. You're going to be walking away with about, I think that's 1 million PlayDoge right there. If you would prefer to buy with BNB, this is how you're going to be able to stake your BNB or your PlayDoge. You have to buy it and stake it on the BNB network if you want to receive that staking reward there. But it's the same process, right? You're simply going to click connect wallet. After you connect your wallet, determine how much you want to buy, and then click buy. Buy with Ethereum, buy with BNB. You're going to click the buy button on there. The price is going to increase in 1 day in 21 hours or when $5.1 million has been raised. So why are they raising so quickly? They are building an awesome play-to-earn game that is a very simple game. You're going to have a Tamagotchi-style Doge that you can take care of. You can feed it, water it, play with it, pet it, whatever else you do with a pet, and you can earn PlayDoge along the way. On top of that, they've got mini games. You've got this little Space Invaders style retro arcade game. You're going to have this left hand to right hand side scroll games that you can play. Very similar to Donkey Kong, right? But of course, it's going to be a little bit different there. And these games are going to be taking place in the third stage of the presale, of the roadmap here, and then finally be released during the fourth stage of the roadmap. A breakdown of the tokenomics shows that 50% of all of the tokens are going to the presale, 6.5% to the community, 11.5% to liquidity, 10% to marketing, 10% to project funds, and 12% to those staking rewards. Now, if you are interested in buying, but you still don't know how, they do have a very nice 4-step tutorial down at the bottom of the page that you can follow through, and they make it very easy to grab your hands on, or get your hands on some PlayDoge there. Now, the question that I see asked most often: when can you claim? You're going to be able to claim your PlayDoge once the presale concludes. All buyers will be able to claim their Play tokens using the same wallet they contributed with. Token claiming will take place on the Binance Smart Chain. Very important to know. So if you've got Ethereum, or if you buy with Ethereum, you're going to be claiming on the Binance Smart Chain. Please be aware of that. Now, from there, let's go check out their X account and see how fast these guys are growing. They already have 4,781 followers out on their X, and they are very, very active. You can see, guys, that 3 hours ago, introducing a Tamagotchi, a cultural icon that sold 82 million copies into the cryptoverse. A buy before the pre-sale ends. Could you guys imagine selling 82 million, or having 82 million holders, or 82 million downloads at a minimum of this Tamagotchi app right here? Think about that. That would be incredible if it got 82 million. If Tamagotchi can actually sell it, dude, why wouldn't PlayDoge be able to give it away for free? Think about that. Why wouldn't PlayDoge be able to have a Tamagotchi-style app that you give away for free, selling 82 million copies? Dude, even if you sell 10, or not, I mean, if you give away 10%, if all of the people who play with Tamagotchis when they were little bought or downloaded the PlayDoge app, 8+ million downloads would be incredible. And these guys would soar in terms of value. And that's why we're here. We all want to make money. It's as simple as that. And I believe that PlayDoge is doing an excellent job of targeting the correct demographic. Because the people who, I guess, resonate the most with 90s nostalgia in these games right here, they're the biggest factor in the cryptocurrency space. I am in PlayDoge. I am excited about PlayDoge. I want to know if you guys are getting into PlayDoge down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.